In this question, the triangle has already been isolated for us, so what I've done is I've drawn a quick sketch. In my sketch, you can see that I've labelled the right angle at D, I have labelled the marked angle at G, and I've also labelled the side AD, which is the height of the cuboid, 4.9. I now need to find GD. Now GD is the diagonal of the base of the cuboid. So I'm going to draw a diagram of the base of the cuboid, move that out of the way for a moment, which looks like this. Going back to my diagram, I need to know CD, which is 7.5, and I need to know DH, which is 4.4. Once I've done that, I can find DG, which is the side I want to find. Using Pythagoras, I'm going to do 4.4 squared and 7.5 squared. That's going to give me 75.61. When I square root 75.61, I get 8.7. So I now know that DG is 8.7. Moving back to this diagram, I can fill in this. Now I've got two sides with a measurement on them. I can label my sides. 4.9 is opposite the marked angle. 8.7 is next to the marked angle. O and A means I'm using tan. And tan, TOA, O over A. What kind of triangle is it? It's an X triangle because we don't know what our angle is. Opposite is 4.9 over 8.7 are adjacent. In order to find out what our X is, we need to remove the tan. We can do tan minus 1 of this fraction. Remember, when you do this, make sure your calculator is in degree mode. Otherwise, you will not get the correct answer. I'm saying this from experience because I did this when I earlier tried to do it. And I end up with 29.38 degrees. But it wants it to the nearest degree. If we look back at my question, answer to the nearest degree, that answer then is going to be 29 degrees.